Take my advice. Never gamble. Too many drinking games, too many bets, and I'm too old to ever raise the coin on my own. He's a stubborn oaf. I don't know what good it'll do. You should speak to my daughter, Yvette. She's the brains of the family.
If you're heading to the Blue Palace, you might want to rethink that outfit. Nothing at all. It's very nice. If you want something with a little more style, however, you should come by our shop. We could fix you right up. Remember Radiant Raiment when you need a change of attire.
Take care with those flames.
Come here a second. A lot of people are beginning to get impressed with you here, me included. Just wanted to let you know. I'll show you what I know. If talking your way out of trouble isn't enough. Also, I recommend hitting the training room if you need lockpick practice. Helped me out of it. More than once. If you ever need more practice with the bow, just grab me.
Gullumai give up any information on our buyer? No, it can't be. I haven't heard that name in decades. This is grave news indeed. She's someone I hope to never cross paths with again. Carlia destroyed everything this guild stood for. She murdered my predecessor in cold blood and betrayed the guild. After we discovered what she'd done, we spent months trying to track her down, but she just vanished. Carlia and I were like partners. I went with her on every heist. We watched each other's backs. I know her techniques, her skills, If she kills me, there'll be no one left that could possibly catch her. If only we knew where she was. There's only one place that could be. The place where she murdered Gallus. A ruin called Snow Vale Sanctum. We have to go out there before she disappears again. Yes, I'm going with you, and together we're going to kill her. Here's your payment for solitude. Prepare yourself and meet me at the ruins as soon as you can. We can't let her slip through our fingers.
Well, looks like you're fitting in well down here. I'm supposed to allow you to trade in one of your pieces of guild armor. So what will it be? Of course. Otherwise it wouldn't be much of a reward, now would it? Your new piece will enhance your skill beyond that of the original. Trust me. Tough luck for you then. Come back when you have at least one of the pieces. Well, looks like you're fitting in well down here. I'm supposed to allow you to trade in one of your pieces of guild armor. So what will it be?
You want something from me? All right then.
So, what could I can pat you on the back all day, but coin's coin, right? I handled if break-ins are more your thing. Sometimes we just like to remind the city that we mean business, so we hit 'em hard. Simple, right? Almost. The catch is, it doesn't count if anyone sees you take it. The message needs to be clear. We work in the shadows. Steal from anywhere in the hold, and you even get to keep everything you stole. So, you in? Here's everything you need. You get caught, but we've never heard of you.
Steal anything worth talking about? All right, but if you get arrested, don't blame it on me. I don't want a trail of dead bodies leading here.
Even if you're one of... What? You still think it's funny? No. Sorry if I sounded so mean there. Here, have one on me. I already told you. They call me Dirge because I'm the last thing you hear before they put you in the ground.
It's one thing to say you've got the skill. Take a look. Now, I have a buyer with... I'm told they're the ravings of a madman, a wizard named Arundel, and his peculiar grave. It's said to be spread across 4 volumes, and very hard to come by. My client is offering quite a reward for them, which I'd split with you. Then we have a deal. In his later years, Arundel moved into some ice caves known as Ingvild. He preferred the solitude in which to perform his, experiments. Mm-hmm.
made it. Good to see you, my friend.
Careful with those flames, unless you plan on torching something.
Welcome. Let me know if you want anything. Think I got a clean mug around here somewhere.
That's close enough.
That's close enough. That's close enough.
I'm warning. That's close enough. I'm warning. Hey, that isn't yours.
By order of the Jarl, I command you to halt. By order of the Jarl, stop right there.
Since you put it that way, I think we can look your crime for now.
Wait. I know you. Wait. I know you.
You need anything, come see me. I'm as resourceful
The only
as I am
mistake was you showing your face. You've committed crimes against Skyrim and her people. And it's time to face the Good enough. I'll just confiscate any stolen goods you're carrying. Then you're free to go.
All right then.
Well, looks like you're fitting in well down here. I'm supposed to allow you to trade in one of your pieces of guild armor. So what will it be? Of course. Your new piece will enhance your skill beyond that of the original. Trust me. Are you sure? Once I exchange it for you, I'm not taking it back. Unless... Okay, there you go.
Back with good and with no strings attached. Not bad. Here, got some coin for you. I handled... If you don't like that kind of work, talk to Delvin. He runs the more up-close and... When a client needs us to eliminate another, we don't operate like the Dark Brotherhood. We find alternate means to get them out of the way. We send you to plant some phony evidence in the Mark's house and then tip off the town guard. The rest takes care of itself. Sound like you can handle it? Fine, just keep it clean. Here you go.
Good to see you again, friend.
Careful with that fire!
Talos preserve you.
Blessings of Mara upon you.
Need something?
Have our scouts come up with any information on these reports of dragons?
Yes, my lady. That unpleasantness...
Good to have you by my side, friend. I need reliable people around.
Several soldiers before it departed.
Indeed. There have been multiple attempts on the Jarl's life. We're not certain if it's the Dark Brotherhood. We've also had run-ins with spies attempting to probe us. At the end of the day, I'm the last line of defense for the Jarl. I will not allow her to fall.
You're someone who can get things done. I like that. Good. If
What do you
Riften
need,
should
my friend?
fall, it's only right that its leader be spared. Good journey.
You're
to you.
welcome in Riften. As long
Good
as
day,
you
friend.
continue to
Keeping
obey
well?
the laws.
Because I did something not a soul. I dared Now, be wary what you say around here, friend. You'll
Ain't no
find
doubt
not all
about
take
it.
kindly to
Thieves Guild is back,
insurrection.
and they've got Riften in their grip.
Keep your eyes open. Damn faithless Imperials.
Ugh. Been tending to your hounds? Smell like a wet dog.
Did we have an appointment? No. It was a delivery? I can't remember.
You could say the Rathway is the city under the...
Good. You're finally here. I've scouted the ruins, and I'm certain Carlia is still inside. No, I found her horse. Don't worry, I've taken care of it. She won't be using it to escape. Let's get moving. I want to catch her inside while she's distracted. Take the lead. Just make certain you keep your eyes open. The last thing I need is you blundering into a trap and warning her that we're here. Keep your eyes open, your mouth shut. They say that these ancient Nordic burial mounds are sometimes impenetrable. This one doesn't look too difficult. Quite simple, really. I don't know what the fuss is about these locks. All it takes is a bit of know-how, and a lot of skill. That should do it. Stench in here. This place smells of death. Be on your guard. This shouldn't take long. Watch out for the spikes. Looks like Carlia reset all of the traps. You can't hide from me! Your life is mine! I'll stench in here. This place smells of death. Guard. You can't hide from me. That wasn't a fight, it was an execution. Now. Pull the chain over there and watch out for the fight. Looks like I reset all of the traps. This better be important. Hardly a challenge. What was that? Your feeble attempt to hide is insulting. That's merely an annoyance. Nothing! Out of my way! My time. Who's there? Your feeble attempt to hide is insulting. You can't. Your blood will adorn my blade. How disappointing. Bone chimes. Clever. Rigged to wake the Draugr, I bet. Don't blunder in. Any of them. best you can do? This better be important. Your blood will adorn my blade! Out of my way! I've killed leaders like you. You mean nothing! You can do. Out of my way. So ends the lesson. a lesson. This better be important. Ah, it's one of the infamous Nordic puzzle doors. How quaint. Without the matching claw, they're normally impossible to open. Since I'm certain Carlia already did away with it, we're on our own. Fortunately, these doors have a weakness if you know how to exploit it. Quite simple, really. Carlia is close, I'm certain of it. Now let's get moving.